Amy Carr Yapfuye, ex-England women's youth player Carr dies at the age of 35. May she rest in peace. Condolences to her family and all her friends. The England women's football team has paid tribute to former youth player Amy Carr, who has died at the age of 35. A former goalkeeper who played for England Under-17s and Under-19s. Carr has been diagnosed with a brain tumour for a second time. She was originally diagnosed in 2015 and raised more than $200 for charity by running the Dublin Marathon in 2024. We are heartbroken to hear that former England youth player Amy Carr has passed away at the age of 35. Read a statement on the Lionesses X account. Amy, who was diagnosed with a second brain tumor in 2024, devoted her time to raising money for a vital brain tumor research that could help others. She remains an inspiration to all. Hailing from Hemel Hempstead in Hertfordshire, Carr played for Arsenal, Chelsea and Reading before gaining a football scholarship in the US. She was playing professional football for Sandvikens in Norway at the time of her first diagnosis and later coached in Milton Keynes. Amy Carr, wahoze akinira ikipe y'abatoya y'Ubwongereza y'abagore, akaba yapfuye ku myaka 35. Amy Carr akaba yarasanzwemo kanseri y'ubwonko mu mwaka wa 2015, noneho aza kwitabira amasiganwa yo kwiruka kugira ngo abashe gukusanya amafaranga yo kugira ngo hakorwe ubushakashatsi kuri kanseri y'ubwonko, kugira ngo ubwo bushakashatsi buzafashe abandi bazaba bayirwaye nkawe. Yabashije kubona ibihumbi 2 by'amadolari y'Amerika muri iyo marato. Amy Carr yakiniye amakipe arimo Arsenal, Chelsea, ikipe y'Ubwongereza y'abato y'imyaka 17 ndetse na 19. Nyuma yaho aza kujya gukina mu gihugu cya Norway aho yakiniraga Sandvikens. Nyuma yaho aza no kuba umutoza wa Milton Keynes. Chelsea added on X, "We are saddened to learn the passing of former Chelsea goalkeeper Amy Carr. Our condolences are with Amy's friends and family at this time." Ikipe ya Chelsea ndetse n'ikipe y'Abongereza abagore zikaba zanditse ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zifuriza iruhuko ridashira Amy Carr wahoze ari umuzamu wabo ndetse zinihanganisha umuryango we. Amy Carr, who was a former player of Arsenal and Chelsea Women's Football Club, completed the Dublin Marathon to raise the fund of brain tumor research, bringing in $28,718 to support crucial research into brain tumor. Brain tumor research announced her passing on social media. A statement read, "We are deeply saddened to hear that Amy Carr has died following her battle with brain tumor aged 35. Tribute have flooded in for the former footballer who fought the condition for 11 years. One user wrote, "Very sad to learn of this. May Amy soul rest in the sleep of peace." Carr's condition was discovered in 2015 after fainting at the sight of a spider. She underwent an MRI and found out about the tumor that size of a golf ball. Amy Carr yavumbuye ko arwaye indwara ya kanseri yo mu bwonko mu mwaka wa 2015 ubwo yikubitaga hasi agiye kwa muganga, basanga mu bwonko bwe afitemo indwara ya kanseri ifite ingano ingana n'umupira wa golf. Carr played for Arsenal, Chelsea, Reading and gained a football scholarship in the United States. May she rest in peace. Condolences to her loved ones and her family. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, recommendation, write the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wakoze kubana nanjye, ari igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment, niba ugikanda like na subscribe urakoze, byiza.